Yeah, hello viewers. Welcome. So am I audible? Sorry. Hello.
Hi, Funny.
Yeah, hi Rishi.
Hi.
Yeah, so can we start or shall we wait for a few members?
Yeah, I think let us wait for some replies whether we are audible or not. Let's just check that once.
Sure. So how is your day, Rishi? So it's been a while we have did some live. So are you
Yeah,
excited?
yeah, I'm excited actually.
Uh,
It's been actually tough days. Recently, we have been doing multiple stuff. We are
okay.
building our own products, and we are also actually working for our clients. Yeah, pretty hectic schedule. So that's
True.
all.
Okay. So how is our team doing? So how is everyone? So all good?
Yes, everyone is good, and as you know, we all live in a world where we have to learn continuously. We have to keep growing,
Mhm.
and I believe that is going pretty much well nowadays.
Okay, great, Rishi. Yeah. Sorry for that. Yeah, I'm just grabbing. Okay, so let's start the show. Ready? Hi, Bhavita.
Bhavita, please let us know whether we are audible or not. Yeah, funny. I think we are good to start.
Yeah, Rishi. Yeah, so
Yeah,
let
I'll be replying to the viewers from the other window. That
sure.
way, I will be able to communicate. Yeah,
Definitely. Yeah.
yeah, awesome.
So let me start. Hey, hi. Warm welcome to everyone. So it's been a while we interacted with the viewers, subscribers, and as well as it's been a while we have shared our product updates, where we are and what we have been doing for the last 6 months to 1 year. So we feel this is a time for us to reintroduce or revamp ourselves, and then let's start where we are, what we are doing. So let me start on that. So what to expect from this live is you'll typically get what is our Maigha startup culture, and what are the different flagships we are doing, and flagships on our own and co-own, and then we'll give some demos in this live session on two flagship ventures we are working on, and then at the end we'll discuss about what to do with the YouTube tech content and all those things. Okay. So on that note, let's start. So if you have any questions, queries during the demo or during the slides, so please let me know. You can stop me at any time, and then you can definitely ask us, or you can ping. You can ping in the chat. So okay, so let's start. Sorry for the glitches. So it's been a yeah. So now let's kickstart. See, as everybody know, like most of the people's opinion in the software industry about a startup is they feel okay, startup is a gamble and it's a tough nut to crack, and there is a lot of risk is involved, and usually they burn out all the money, and at the end there will be nothing, and the team, it's tough to survive the product and the team. But we as a Maiga, we treat startup as a product line. Okay, so we do mitigate all the risk in the beginning phases only, and apart from that, it is powered by Maiga is powered by powerful SaaS engines, and we have a technical infrastructure where whenever any customer comes to us, we can just readily go and start contributing and reach the targets. For example, recently we have a B2B customer called TaxPro. So they have been associated with us, and once the domain knowledge has been dumped onto us, so we could able to quickly give the MVP at very quick phase, not MVP, at least the first cut at a very quick phase. So that's possible because of our Maigha Venture Studio, powerful infrastructure, SaaS engines, and the tech finish line we are maintaining. Okay, so now welcome to the world of Maigha Venture Studio. So this is where we are all. Let me share my screen. Yes, I think. Okay, my. One second. Okay. One second, guys. Yeah, some issue is happening. Why I'm not able to share screen? Mm, Rushi, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen, but only you. The presentation is not yet.
Okay. Okay. Let me do one thing. Okay.
Yes, I can see the presentation. Sorry. Yes, I can see the presentation and you.
Okay. Are you sure?
Uh, Not the presentation now. Give me a second.
Mhm.
Only presentation window is visible right now.
Okay. Okay. I understood the problem. One second. Okay. I think I have to start sharing the screen
Yep, this is
from Google screen,
right.
not from the. Yeah. Okay. One second.
Yep, now I can see the uh,
Presentation.
Google screen. Google screen. I think you have to share the presentation from the Google Meet.
Yeah, but for some reason I'm not able to. I mean, I opened a window, PowerPoint. I just want to share that instead of sharing my entire screen. So yeah, okay. Now I got it. Wait. Sorry, guys. My bad. So can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can see the presentation,
But not me.
but not you. I think you have to share your screen through Google Meet. Funny. Previously, when you shared the Google Meet, then I was able to see both of the
Yeah,
present.
yeah. I got it now.
Give me a second. Yep. Now I can see you and the presentation.
Yes. Okay, guys. Yeah, sorry for the technical glitch again. So yeah, so as we discussed, so this is the about Maigha Venture Studio. So we are industrializing SaaS creation. As I mentioned, why we are mentioning that is because we have a powerful platforms using SaaS engines, and we have technical finance lines, and we are also from the way of ease of doing the business, we are a bit different actually. So we kind of a hybrid model where we run a venture capitalist plus other things. So okay, let's start. Okay, it's bad. Okay, so why the screen is stucking? Okay, yeah, Rushi, can you see the slide now? It's good.
Yes, I can see the slide.
Yeah, okay.
Awesome.
Yeah, Rushi. So let's go with the flow now. See, so as I mentioned in the beginning of why Maigha Venture Studio, so who we are. So basically, I would like to mention few things here. So Maigha Genesis, it means like from where did this core team of Maigha formed? See, basically a decade back, the core team of the Maigha has association with a startup company called Axie. It's a Silicon Valley based startup company, and the product is like you have a TV studio in your phone. So it's that powerful. So our core team has experienced a lot of things actually from that startup, from that media based startup company. And also apart from gaining the technical knowledge, the main thing we realized as the core team realized is how to idealize an idea and turn that into reality with the startup, with the help of a startup company. Okay, so it means how do you what is the way to run a startup, so what is the better way to kind of venturing is, so all those things, all the experiences that have come through this pre-startup company. Okay, so what we realized is like, so to form any startup we need to actually leverage the high altitude talent and industrialized processes. Okay, so I'll go to the next slide. Yeah, so these are the basics of the Maigha, uh, the basic pillars, the basic principles of Maigha. So, so how do we run? So precisely, Maigha is a startup company, and we got a lot of experience from the previous startup. And from the previous startup, apart from getting the technical knowledge, we also got a lot of hands on how to run a startup and what are the key ingredients for a successful startup. So from that, we idealized we can run a startup as a product line. So if we have one to two core members, so who are very good, they have a tech and very good leaders, and who have around 15 to 20 years experience. So luckily we have one such person in our core team, Suresh Potluri. So he's been guiding us, and there are other team members who are leading the different ventures. Okay, Rushi is leading different ventures, and so like that. So we one to two elite core members combined with 4 to 5 team of internships or newbies or freshers in the market, 1 to 2 years is relatively 0 to 3 years experience, we can form a startup actually. So we believe in one thing: skill is not crucial, but the hunger to drive, the hunger to grow in the career. So a technical expertise of vast experience and leadership plus a few interns or a few industry freshers or 0 to 3 years experience with enough hunger in their belly. Okay, so second thing is we do go attitude, we do prefer the characteristics of a person who has a very good attitude rather than the skill. See, skill can be learned if you are actually spending hours and then putting lot of energies. So but the attitude is like, so whatever maybe the situation, whether it is good bad in your life, so you need to ensure the tasks are delivered, and you should that never give up attitude should be there. So Maigha is formed based upon these principles where attitude should be really good than the skill. So we give priority for that. Luckily, our team has have that characteristics. And the one of the basic pillar, one more characteristic we do possess as a team is about the iterative improvement. See, not every idea can be turned into a product straight away. So you have to do multiple iterations. You have to do R&D. Sometimes some things work, something doesn't work, and sometimes you will get some feedback from the customer saying this is good, not good. And we also bound to the customer I mean the market statistics keep changing. So you need to introduce a lot of new features, all of those things. So keeping all these things in mind, so it's not like we do follow one particular procedure and then we achieve the goal. It is like this: you start with one thing which you are good at, and then you keep improving in different. It's like a sorry, it's like a agile within agile. So you achieve the goal, but you kind of correct yourself, and in iterative approaches you keep doing better, better, better. And when the moment gets high, you'll fall into the place where the things will go smooth. So that's the reason for doing the approach. Attitude is important, supported with skill, and supported by the one or two good leadership team. So all this combined together made this Maigha a product line startup company. And not only we deal multiple ventures because of the SaaS engines we have and the kind of uh, process and consistency we follow. So now let's look. So what are the advantages we have? So why Maigha is a powerful startup product line based company? So it's due to majorly two reasons. So one is Maigha pool will has a very good, as I mentioned in the beginning, it has a very good shared infrastructure. Because of this, you can maintain multiple, we can serve multiple SMBs. I mean, SMBs means small medium business customers. So uh, we can share the resource pool, and we can share the technical infrastructure what we have. So even before customer is coming to us, we are ready with the technical infrastructure and all the engines. So this ensures, so whatever SMB customer is coming to us, he can straight away work on different things and then go to the market immediately. So this also helps in reducing the market risk, and yes, the technical velocity. With all these things, the speed we go into the market will be really good. Okay. So next is about, so I'm mentioning about the product line, right? So how the Maigha product line works, how our startup works, how if any SMB customer comes to us, how do we, what is the typical protocol we follow? The first we validate the requirement of the SMB customer. So for example, tax proclaim. So we validate the customer, and then we say, okay, so we take a decision whether it is doable or not doable. And once it is done, so will take 0 to 3 weeks to validate that idea. So because of the powerful engines and other tech finish lines we have, we are able to take we can quickly take that SMB to at MVP level, and the first paying customer will come within 10 weeks. So instead of a lot of startup companies, what they do is they start idea from the foundation, building infrastructure, building tech team, and then in the meanwhile, all money they will burn out. So a lot of time waste will be having. So we are running this startup in a different fashion. So before the customer comes to ourselves, we just don't have the idea. We just have the engines. We just have industry tech stack. We have the team. Everything we have. So that's the reason we can take any product into the market so quickly. At least the first paying customer for the MVP. So then comes into the picture about scaling that MVP product. So we do a lot of operations and then go to the market specialization. So how do we go to the market? So we have so in case of B2B, they have their own market, but in case of our own flagship, so we also have a specific strategy. Like we do have associations with a lot of hosting companies, and we also have a lot of association with a lot of SMBs too. So having a very good network, so we definitely ensure the product, it can definitely go into the market in a very less time, because we have very good connections with the hosting platforms and also with the SMBs across different domains, be it a tax or be it cafe, be it like internet. centers. So we do have a lot of connections across different domains of the SMBs. So finally, that if any SMB has come to us, we can spin off that into a venture capital study structure with SOC 2 readiness and global. So SOC 2 is like a auditing uh, type of auditing where the company can go to a VC with all the security guidelines, data protection, everything. Okay, so this is like the product line. So this is how a venture comes into the picture, and the venture goes to MVP, and the venture goes to market, and the venture spins off itself as an independent venture capitalist company. So Maigha owns different. Maigha is a pool which builds different ventures. Okay, so let me go to the next slide. I'm sorry. Uh, yeah, any questions so far? Yeah, I know, like, because of the technical glitches in the live, few people might not be. I mean, like, the consistency might be, but I hope we are kind of conveying the right flow and the right message, and you are able to follow us. So I would like to pause here a minute and just check the viewers and subscribers. If you have any doubts, please do. You can ping in the chat. Yeah. So yeah, Rishi, I will be going to the next. So this is the important slide actually. So here we do portfolio execution tracks. So the what is meant. So as I mentioned, Maigha is into two different building models. So one is like a complete ownership and a co-ownership or co-build. So the complete ownership means like the end to end the development of that product is within our control, and the co-build partnership is like where we have been associated as a development partner. So under complete build, under the completely owned product, so we have two things we are working on. One is app insight. Of course, in a majority of the our viewers and subscribers know about this product. So app insight is a SaaS engine. So using this engine, you can convert any website to mobile app. So how to convert? So that will be taken care in the demo. We will be showing one recorded video. Rushikesh will be addressing that while the video is being played. But for now, it's a SaaS engine where using that platform you can convert website to app. It's a low code, no code kind of mobile development. So next is a Multimagics. So Multimagics is a video editing tool. You can, apart from that, you can do a lot of things. So this product is currently under development. So the plan is to build this Multimagics as a standalone application on different platforms like iOS, desktop, Android. But the ultimate goal also, we want to deploy this Multimagics on. We want to convert this Multimagics also as a SaaS product. It means on App Insight platform, we will be getting deployed this Multimagics, and we can convert this Multimagics website into mobile app. So that is the future plan of it. But and the co-build partnership, we have to be B2B strategy, and the
Right.
tax pro is one of our tax pro is one of the venture capitalists. I mean, sorry. So we are working with tax pro as a development partner, and they are like very. One second, I think. Yeah. So it's like a tax pro automation company where you do a lot of things. One second, Rishi. I think I am. Um,
Is there any problem? I mean, the presentation was visible for me.
yeah. So I want to switch the slideshow. I made one correction. So my bad.
Okay.
So that way
Okay.
this is much easy, I think. Yeah. Sorry guys. I was presenting the PDF. But yeah, see, coming to the tax pro, it is a specialized autonomous tax software company for tax professionals. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So using this platform, you can do multiple things. So that will be shown as a part of the demo. I mean, if there is any workflow while returning tax or while filing tax, so there is a lot of workflows you have to follow. So that workflows are automated using this tax pro, and the engine used by the tax pro is Maigha's SaaS engine. Okay, so we do co-build and also we do build. So now it's time for go through app any site. Hey, hi Rushi.
Hi, Funny. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good, Rushi. So how are
Hi,
you?
viewers. Hi,
Mm-hmm.
viewers. Hope
Mm-hmm.
everyone are good. Yeah. Please, Funny. You were saying something.
Yeah, Rushi. Yeah, please. Yeah. So, viewers actually, Rushikesh, you know about him. So he is leading this Appenicite venture. So which is one of the first uh, complete end-to-end venture from Maigha. So Rushikesh will be showing us the demo on the Appenicite. Before demo, he will be showcasing what are the important features of the Appenicite. So why the word democratizing the mobile frontier is because in yeah, so Rishi, it's better you explain the things. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks much, Funny.
Mm-hmm.
It was very good about what uh, what you were explaining about the Maigha, the process and all. I just remembered the whole journey what we went till now.
Mm-hmm.
It is pretty mesmerizing, if I remember the whole journey.
Oh,
Anyway, thanks. Hello, viewers. Let us start about what is this appetite and how we are democratizing this mobile app development. So, coming to App Insight is not just another tool. It is redefining how mobile apps are built for whole small and medium scale businesses. Let me put it this way: if you have a website, that's all. You already have an app. With App Insight, you can turn any website into native mobile apps in minutes, not months. You don't need to have any development team. You don't need to maintain any complexity, and there is zero friction. Suppose let us take a traditional app development. It costs around the minimum $10,000 and more. That what we are doing is like what App Insight is doing is it cuts off all development costs and everything. It cuts down to everything, like almost nothing. It cuts down almost to nothing. Like all you have to do is build once on web, and instantly you'll be able to reach Android, iOS, and any other future platforms too. All you have to do is you just have to keep one effort, and what we'll give is we'll give you the maximum leverage of everything. Now, App Any site makes mobile apps fast, affordable, and accessible for every business. This is not just the faster development. What we are trying to do is to build the future of the mobile for small and medium businesses. Yeah, I think you can switch to next slide. Yeah, before going through the demo, I just wanted to share you something. This video of the demo is already in the YouTube. If we go through this, a bit fast, or if something is unclear, you can please do watch this video in the YouTube. We'll also paste the link in the description, so don't forget to watch it and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, Funny, please can you open the video?
yeah, yeah. So before opening the video, actually I couldn't able to share that screen. So in this video, so there is an SMB customer called Upsilon Tax Services. So
Yeah,
Rishikesh has that SMB is one of our customers. So we took that as a reference and we are converting that website of a called Upsilon Services so into a mobile app in a really
right,
flash of steps. Okay,
right.
so
Yeah,
let's start that. So I hope, yeah,
you can go from the top.
yeah,
Again,
from the start.
backwards video from the top. Yep. This is a landing page of the website. You can play that.
Okay,
Yeah, this is a landing page of the website. This is not yet in online. We are going to
Sorry,
the left.
Rishi.
That's fine. To the left, left, to the left.
Okay.
You're going forward.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, can you please pause it here?
Mm.
Okay. So basically, what we are going to show you, like right now, like the one which is on the screen, is a landing page. This is not yet hosted online. We're just showing you the development version, and soon we are going to post it. We are going to post it online. Yeah, work. The work is under progress to host the whole system and the whole ecosystem. Whatever we are showing right now is running in the development mode. Yeah, please continue. You can start from the starting of the video. Okay, so there is a landing page, and this is how the flavor looks like. And if you go to the features, there are multiple features. You can go to the website once it is live, and just to understand the power of this, let us create an app now. So to create an app, first you have to log in, you have to enter the email address, password, and traditional authentication. And next, if you create the app, you all you have to do is just write your app name, and you just have to give your website URL. That's all. And see the magic. What happens? The website is verified, and if we click the add app, that's all. App is created. Can you please pause it? Fun?
Wow,
Yeah.
Rishi. It's that easy? Are you sure?
Yes, yes. All we did is, I mean, just uh, try to visualize it. All we did is we just logged in. We just created I mean, we clicked on the add app. We
Mm-hmm.
just entered the app name and the URL. That's all. App is created. That's all. It is as fast as it is.
Okay, okay, okay.
And once we created the app, we I mean the app is created, but there are some minimum steps. There are some steps which we have to follow for the app. That is setting the icon. In the icon, we also have this some fancy features. You can enable the light mode, dark mode, and after that we have to build the app. In the build, we have debug APK, release APK, and the bundle. We can go through this later, but I'll just go through the whole demo of this. And once app is built, you can preview that. Now let us build the release APK. Release APK is the ones which you are going to get when you download from the Play Store. Now it's all like this. We got the release APK, and now we can download it, and we can test that in our phones just by installing that APK. That's all. Your app is in your phone right now. So that
Wow.
is the power of this platform. And now let me show you the one more cool feature. Can you please take a pause? Funny.
Yeah, Rishi. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I was just surprised how quick it is and how clean and smooth as we mentioned, there is no any friction, zero friction, absolutely.
Mm.
And the development, I mean, and it is like plug and play, low code, no code, and you're just playing with the buttons. It's definitely democratizing the
Yeah.
mobile automation of mobile. That
Yeah.
name is justified.
Just a funny note here. Even I recorded the video. While recording the video, I thought that I would be able to catch the clicks and all, but
Uh-huh.
it is fast enough that even I couldn't catch the buttons. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Uh,
So now
uh-huh.
the innovative thing what we have done is
Mm-hmm.
we created a mobile app. We got the release APK. You installed in your phone, and your app is in your phone right now. But the another thing is, what if you want to see your app in the browser itself? Like traditionally, what people used to do is they used to run the emulator in the browser itself. And what happens means, if you want to run your emulator in the browser, it is very costly. It is very costly resource. It is resource consuming and all. So we brought an innovative way in such a way that whatever the apps you have created, you can just preview those apps in your phone itself. We have I'm proudly announcing that we have created an app that is called Preview app. So
Mm.
what that app does is, if you just go to the preview section, can you please play the video? Yeah, pause it, please. Awesome. So all you have to do is you have to navigate to the preview section. If you just scan this barcode, and what it does is, will show you the magic. Can you please play?
So this QR is generated from our platform,
Right. This
and
QR is generated from our app, from our
SMB
platform.
customer has just to log in and then just scan the QR.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So we scanned it, we clicked on the preview. All we
Mm-hmm.
have to do is log in, and
Mm-hmm.
that's all. Our the app which was created by the customer will be bundled up and will be flashed in his mobile phone in seconds. There is
Wow.
the Ceylon Services website as an app. So
Wow. Wow. Wow.
it
Wow.
all happened in minutes, not even
Yeah. Yeah.
not even hours. It just took minutes to complete this.
Yes.
Taking the small medium business, that is Upsilon Services, from there, from the unique platform, that is website to mobile app, in just minutes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So we enabled a separate digital platform for them.
Mm.
This is possible for iOS and Android too. Like the current version, what we have shown in the demo is the Android version, but it works the same for the iOS too.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Great.
funny. That's all for the demo. Please do watch the demo in the demo video in the YouTube. We'll also paste the link in the description of this live session.
Yeah. So it's already, this is already playing from our Multi Magics channel on itself.
Right, right,
So you can just go to the recent videos and then you can found it. But in the description we'll share the links.
right,
Yeah.
right. Yeah. And coming to the validation engine edge, so the sandbox preview, the innovation which I told, the preview app, and coming to the integrated testing, what we are going to integrate in our App Insight platform is, we are going to integrate the responsiveness testing tool, and we are going to integrate the performance testing tool. That way you can diagnostics everything, like from responsiveness to performance, what I mean, from top to bottom. You can test the whole, you can do the whole diagnostics of your website before converting your app. That way you'll be able to analyze the performance of the website in the app. Okay, and after that you're going to get the infinite reach, like within just clicks you're going to push your website, I mean, convert your website to app, and you can just push that app to Play Store and App Store, as simple as the process which we followed right now. So with just clicks you can just push the app to the Play Store and App Store. That's all. Fanny, can you please go to the next slide? Yeah. The roadmap. Coming to the roadmap, App Insight roadmap, we have a lot of features in our roadmap, and the next major roadmap, which the next immediate step. Let me put it that way. So the next immediate step, what we are taking is, we are going to integrate the native capabilities of this mobile app. Suppose, let us assume you have a website, and in browser we'll use some different APIs to open the camera. But if you convert that website to the app, so you if you want to open the camera screen, I mean, if you want to open the camera in the mobile, you need to use some other different methods. So like that, we are enabling the camera, the Bluetooth, the notifications, and all native plugins and all. And coming to the AI powered speed, like, we are planning to integrate the AI also in this. I mean, you can generate the templates, and you can edit the templates, and you can edit those templates, and you can convert those templates into the app. So whatnot, there are a lot of features coming up ahead, and we are making sure that there'll be consistent behavior, the performance, the security, and all across all platforms. That is a whole roadmap of App Insight. And yeah, funny. That's all pretty much about
Yeah.
App Insight.
That's
Funny.
a very good roadmap, Rushi. I think once we unlock the native capabilities and add AI features. So it's more or less not only SMB customers, you can even target bigger customers, I believe, definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's good actually. Mm. So the next is about Tax Pro actually. So as we mentioned, Tax Pro is one of the business. Maigha is one of the venture which is not it full or fully owned. It's a co-owned. Why I said co-owned? Because we own only the development part of the Tax
Right,
Pro.
right.
So to start with, what is Tax Pro? So even before going what Maigha actually do with the Tax Pro, I will just try to give a glimpse on what is Tax Pro. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the live, see, if you're filing any tax returns or if you're doing anything with related to returns and all those things, so there are a lot of manual things you have to undergo. So you have to collect all the
Correct.
documents, you have to scan it, and then you have to fill all those details, numbers, what is a lot of things you have to go through. So but TaxPro provides an automation platform where all your workflows are automated, and because
Mm-hmm.
of this workflow automation, it helps the CPA, I mean the certified personal account firms and accounting teams to process the returns with less effort.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, yeah, as you know, there are a lot of worksheets. The CPA firms, the team will do lot of manual things. So all those manual things are automated with the help of these auto worksheets. And apart from, there is a one more feature in this Tax Pro called Smart Extraction, which captures the critical data from all your W2 forms and statements using industrial grade OCR logic. That is one of the technique where you extract the details, the text from the images or from the PDFs. And of course, these two is supported by the verified accuracy. So it's not like okay, it is extracting something or it is automating things which are not required. So
Right,
automation of worksheets and extraction of all the details and feeding that to auto worksheets with accuracy and high speed.
right.
So that's the main thing what Tax Pro does. Tax Pro
Right.
platform. I cannot say it's a Tax Pro software. This software as a service can be used by a lot of CPA firms. So these are the advantages the CPA firms are getting if they are using the Tax Pro software as a service. So first main thing is the process is significantly reduced because of all the automation, and scales through peaks season without adding staff. So in general, you know, in here for the March end or December end, a lot of people come in before before the deadline, a week before, 2 weeks before, like that. So a lot of customers comes to file the tax or return the tax, ITR returns, all those things. Uh, so it will save a lot of time here, and it will also you can also scale through. When you mean scale through peak season means in normal days, let's say 100 customers are using this software, but
Mm-hmm.
during peak hours a lot of customers will start using this software, this service. So in that case also, because of the powerful engines and infrastructure, it can scale up automatically. Yes.
Right,
So that is one more advantage we have. Because of that, you can save a lot of hours. And finally, we do a lot of professional, and they do lot. This adds a lot of professional and enterprise grade accuracy to their forms. So it's like you are automating, you are saving time, but at the same time you are maintaining that entrepreneur level proficiency and accuracy. So it's a big time saver for all the firms there, CPA firms actually. So
right,
in short, Tax Pro automates a lot of manual things using the software as a service approach like SaaS. And where does Maigha comes into picture here? So actually, what Maigha does for Tax Pro is, as we know, Maigha is bounded by very good SaaS delivery engine, and also apart from providing the infrastructure, everything, we also develop the interfaces, the whole mechanism, the workflows automation. So Maigha 100% is in the as a development partner. It takes care of entire development, and we also provide infrastructure for them. So because of this, they are going into the market with 50% faster go to the market. So let's imagine Maiga. let's say if like in any typical startup, it takes a lot of time to go to the market because they are building all the things, infrastructures, tech stack, everything. Since they have been associated with Maigha, and Maigha is providing all the things for you. And I do remember from our leader Suresh and you, they have been telling, so this tax pro people, tax pro customer, they just dump the domain knowledge, that's it. And in a week
Right.
or 10 days, we could able to provide a first proof of working copy. I would not say it an
Right.
MVP, but the validation, as you mentioned in the product
Right.
pipeline, the validation done in 0 to 2 weeks. So
Right.
it's wonderful. It's so that's unbelievable actually. In terms of a small scale business, in not put, I mean, like, this is one of the SME and they don't need to burn a lot of money. All they have to
Right.
just come, tell, deliver, as simple as that.
Right.
Yes,
Right.
yeah, yeah. So uh we'll go to the demo of the tax pro too.
Right.
So
Yeah.
shall I pause here?
Before,
Shall I pause here, Rushi, before going demo? Any questions?
uh,
Anything?
yeah, I think we should take the questions. Yeah, there are a lot of
Uh-huh.
questions.
You can just look. I think we should organize a poll, so whether they are liking our product or whether they
Yeah.
want it, they want to buy it immediately. I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Okay. Like we are getting the replies that we are good to continue.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Rishi. Then I will
Yeah.
just start playing the demo.
Yeah. So can you please pause a minute? Yeah. So whatever we had just talked about the tax pro, the development is currently running on. The development is like currently in progress. So we'll show the development story what we had until now in the demo, and after that, we are waiting eagerly to build the whole ecosystem and to deliver the whole ecosystem. So we'll give a small glimpse of what we had until now, and we'll try to understand what is the problem we are solving in this current version of the product, and we'll also tell you what is next upgrade what we are going to get and what is the problem it is going to solve in the product. Okay. Now, as you guys know, pretty much we'll follow the traditional authentication system, authentication verification when we open the product. Can you please play that? So yeah, we'll enter the credentials and we'll just click on the login. That's all. We entered into the product, and these there are some pages that is calculate tax. These 1040 form pretty much, and there are a lot of worksheets related to the tax. And there is a dev tool. This is very interesting feature. That is why I created. So if you clicked on this dev tool, if you clicked on the create worksheet, all you are doing is you are creating. You'll get a default row in that you have to fill some details. For example, the total income we filled on 2024, we have this 2025, we have this 2026, we have this amount. That is the total income. And next, uh, what is a what is a tax we paid for that year. So we'll fill those all details in the we fill those all details in the form and see what happens. We'll add one more row to get the balance what we are going to get after paying a lot of taxes from the income which we get. Yeah, if you click on this confirm create worksheet, I forgot the worksheet name too. We'll give some maybe simple tax table, and we'll click on this create table. That's all. We got this table. Can you please take a pause here for me? Yeah. So if you see this, there are. What we have done is we just created a worksheet. But if the problem what we try to solve is this problem. The creation of these worksheets is completely repetitive for each and every customer. What we have to do is we have to go to Excel and we have to keep on recreating the worksheet. So that is a major problem. But using this, if you create the worksheet, Later, if you want it, you can reuse it. And with the worksheets, I mean, there are a lot of worksheets in the taxing system. And what you can do is you can keep links between like different worksheets to this worksheet. Everything here, I mean, with ease UI, with the easiness in UI and all. So what we did is we reduced a lot of repetitive tasks and we made it smartly. We automated it smartly. That is a problem we solved. And if you see, can you play that? While calculating the balance, we're just trying to write the formulas in the way how we write in the Excel itself. So that way, this worksheet, the cells and everything, which will be automatically calculated based on the formulas. So yeah, this is right now in the development phase. There is a current version which we have, and there is a lot of scope and lot of things which are coming up. There are a lot of things piled up for this product with respect to the automation, with respect to the AI, everything. Whatever you take, every technology and every latest trend is going to be integrated into this Tax Pro product. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, that's really very very nice. It's actually I am not from that tax background, but by looking at that,
Yeah,
so it looks like a lot of manual things, lot of efforts are required, and it's good that
right.
those workflows are automated. And you
Yeah,
mentioned like it's still the development. You will add a lot of features for it.
right.
So
And one more thing I just wanted to say as a positive note,
yes.
that is like whatever the products we have been building till now,
Mm-hmm.
the foundation of App in Insight was built by our interns, if you remember, Funny.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
That's
they created all core modules. What we
Hmm.
did is we reuse those modules, we
Okay.
fine tune them, and we
Okay.
slowly evolve that product to where it is today.
Hmm.
Like from whatever you take, like from management decisions to system
Mm-hmm.
architecture, from early
Correct.
proof of
Correct.
concepts to full product transformation.
Hmm.
And to be very honest, none of this was easy. It could,
Yeah.
and it would not have been possible if that
Hmm.
foundation was not already there.
True.
Even
True. True.
I mean, the beauty is even we didn't fully realize the true power of these platforms at the beginning.
Yes.
It was
Yes.
only when we started building the tax pro that everything became clear, everything becoming clear, and
Yes.
I was able to connect the dots and all. While developing this product, we truly understand the scope of the app in inside, that what is the flexibility is giving it is giving,
Mm-hmm.
what
Mm-hmm.
is its use cases, how genuinely it can help the small and medium businesses. That's when we saw that okay, app in inside can add 10 to 20% more value to the small scale businesses and all
Sure.
by improving in lot of ways like efficiency,
Mm-hmm.
and also it also reduces the effort, and it
Okay.
also reduces the effort of like we don't need to have any development team. All they have to do is just some clicks, it will enable a new digital
Yeah. Yeah.
transformation
Yeah.
for them. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
like to be very honest and as a positive note, what you see today is not just a product, it's the result of the strong foundations, continuous
Yes.
learning,
Yes.
and
Yes.
real
Yeah.
product evolution. Not
Hmm.
just, it's not like just we
Yeah.
built the product. There are a lot of foundations and there is a lot of continuous learning and everything was there with respect to the whole team, whole interns and everyone. And yeah,
Yeah, Rishi. Actually, yeah, that's very good thing you mentioned. Like, yeah, I just want to reiterate on what Rishi has said. So actually, Rishi has led three interns teams, if you remember, and total four, one for Multimagics and three is for App Any site. But at the time of running that internships, the interns has run all the things as independent modules. So at that time, we are not sure like okay how to use that in App Any site or how it will be useful. But remember me as I'm discussing with Suresh and Rishi. So they told me like uh, this tag especially for tax pro whatever we are develop the phase at which we are developing all the skill set has been upskilled during that app internships.
Right,
So
right.
so
Absolutely.
kudos to them and kudos to Rishikesh and then everyone in leading that. So I know there are a lot of sleepless nights, preparing the orientation sessions, dividing them into sprints, tracking them, and daily what is happening apart from doing the regular office work. Rishikesh, of course, I did few things here and there, but most of things were done by him. So it's a very good. I don't know how many sleepless nights you have, but it's that all the things are getting paid off now. So the fruits are getting now. So that's what in the beginning we mentioned. Maigha has built in a iterative approach and attitude greater than skill.
Right.
So that's what we wind up coming
Yeah.
here, and
Yeah.
then we are going through the journey. Okay, it's
Yeah.
very great, Rushi.
And
Uh-huh.
yeah, and yeah, those three pillars are the
Mm.
key pillars of Maigha.
Mm-hmm.
But that has been injected to us by our
Yes,
beautiful, I mean, our
Suresh. Uh,
Suresh.
yeah,
He
yeah,
got
yeah.
the right guidance at the right time
Yes, yes, yeah.
in the whole development and
Mm-hmm.
in the whole process of building
Yes,
Maigha.
yes, yeah.
So
So
yeah,
yeah, I
that's right.
just got one feedback actually. The live which is going on, it is the the title of the live is showing as interns orientation. Sorry for that. Maybe because of some glitch with, but yeah, it's all about Maiga Venture Studio. So I will be changing that title. Someone just pinged me, so thank you for noticing that. Okay, yeah, Rushi, yeah, let's continue. Yeah,
Yeah, pretty much that's all
yeah, uh-huh.
with respect to the Appenny side and Tax
Text
Pro.
Pro,
What
yep.
is the progress we are? What progress
Mm-hmm.
we have
Mm-hmm.
done till now,
Yeah.
and what is going to come in the roadmap and all. Now handing over another
No,
word to
it's
Nalini
not
because
handing. Please stay. Please stay.
sure, sure, sure.
Yeah, I'm not telling. Okay. See, as you, I think there's one internship batch where people worked on this product called Multimagics, which is a video editing tool. So after that, actually, the team has, due to the business priorities, the since we're a small team, the team has shifted their focus for App Any side as well as this Tax Pro, and me and I am not personally able to contribute to the Multimagics product development because for my personal reasons. So but having said that, we have built some expertise over this time, and we had a very good roadmap for Multimagics, and we are planning to introduce some AI mechanisms in the Multimagics application now. So it's a way to go now. It will embed with lot of AI features now. The roadmap is there, and any interns who are interested to join us the journey. So please reach out. In the next slide, I will share all the contact details. So that's how we are thinking for the product roadmap of Multi Magics. Okay, so there is also one more roadmap for YouTube. It's also called Multi Magics YouTube channel. Uh, so tech. Uh, so I also want to share some feedback from the viewers and subscribers. I know in the previous video, as we mentioned, the whole YouTube journey started just to help our internal team.
Right.
So as a placeholder, we don't want to do manual things and cut down that repetition and save time. We just started putting all the things in the YouTube. But as soon as the count crossed now remember these are 150 videos in YouTube. So the count is too high. So once the count crossed 80, 90, we did receive feedback from interns and other viewers and subscribers like
Right.
from quality side we have to improve definitely. So we
Right.
realize that, so that's where we have to improve, and apart from that we have to improve from the technical content wise. So we have been posting few tech content from our technical stack, from Maigha's technical stack. Let me put it
Okay.
that way. So whatever Maigha products are dealing, so the technology related to that Maigha ventures or co-ventures, we are putting that. But having said that, we want to revamp the entire experience of the YouTube now. So if you want any videos on other technical, like be it AI or be it any other thing, so please ping us in the comment section, or you can reach to us there, and or you can share your feedback right now in the live. So I'm happy to take that. Like if you want anything or
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I think Rishi will just pause it here for a while and then we'll just end the
Okay.
session. If provided the feedback, we can take the feedback, you can just receive it, you can just share it to me or you can share to Suresh. So, yeah, so join the journey. Again, sorry for all the viewers and subscribers from my end. So it's been a while we have conducted the live. So please do excuse us. So there are a lot of glitches. So we did start 10 minutes late, and then the title is, so it's because we the team is so busy. We have pulled a lot of time to get this live up and running. But believe me, so as we said, we will be revamping the YouTube. But apart from the glitches, I hope from the quality point of view, from the show up point of view, I feel definitely we had a very good feel. I believe Rishi. So,
Right, right, absolutely right.
mhm. So if you
Yeah,
want to join us in our journey, join us this amazing journey. Join us our powerful platform and see what we can do as a startup we do. So it's ultimately the team effort. So if you want to join the journey, please contact us Suresh at @Maigha.com. You can send
right,
all your queries, your feedback to him, to our leader. You can also reach the general query contact at Maigha.com.
right,
So last but not the least, so Maigha is about all about three A's. It's adaptive, it's agile, and it's advanced.
right.
So these are the main. That's our policy of Maigha.
Yeah,
That's the tagline, the new tagline. Okay.
yeah,
So hope everyone enjoyed this live session. Thanks Rishi for making your time in your busy schedule. So I know after this you have a lot of things to do. Like you need to take some customer calls, feedback, development, all those things. Yeah. Thanks for pulling time in your busy schedule. And yes, I'm so happy that we have did this live session. And I wish, yeah, we do come up with this. And one last thing. So there will be a lot of how to use the product videos will be coming about app insight, about tax pro and multi magics in our YouTube channel. So
right.
this is just kind of a small demo. More kind of how to product videos will be coming up. So on that note, I will be ending this live session. Thanks a lot, Rushi. Thanks again. Bye bye. Take care.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Mm.